How's it, Simon here from Perfect Pools? We're starting a brand new pool, this time around the corner from my house. So I thought, you know what, I can actually have a little moment to show you what's going on here. Let me get around here. Looking at the most difficult part of it all, I suppose the messiest part. Everyone dreads it because there's a lot of sand coming out. Guys are just starting to get the levels right. Then compact the bottom of the pool, prep it for installation tomorrow. Pool should be here about 9 o'clock. And that's it, but I'll keep you posted. So the next time you see me, there should be a shell in the water. So until then, bye. Simon from Perfect Pools, and sorry for the wind. Almost finished. Customer super happy. Let's go and have a look a bit closer. Sorry, that's it for now. Pool's done, customer super happy. Week and 3 days, but there was a weekend in between. Till next time, if you remember, if you want a swimming pool, give us a shout on our social media, or the link will be below, and then you can just give us a shout. Until next time, bye.